Welcome back to another video on Chestnut Hills Farmstead. If y'all like the video, click the like button at the end of the video.
Hey y'all, I'm Zoe with Chestnut Hills Farmstead. Yesterday we came out and we shot a video of us moving our goats to a new area under the pine trees. We use our goats for brush control as well as our pets. We really enjoy having the goats here on the farm. The goats seem to be very comfortable and they enjoy all the company we give them every day. We've used them to clear out a small section of underbrush that had grown up, and they finally got their job done. It only took about 3 or 4 weeks to get that done, and so yesterday we came out and we moved them to a larger section. There's a lot of chemical ways to get rid of underbrush. There's always, hiring people to come in and use machines to get rid of underbrush, which we will do. We have some larger areas that we need to have cleared out, but right now, while we have the goats and they enjoy cleaning and eating away all that stuff that we don't like and don't want on our ground, like any poison ivy, kudzu, stinging nettles, sumac, any of that stuff that is just invasive to the property, we can put the goats in that area and they will clean it out. And in turn, when they poop, their poop is full of nitrogen and all the good stuff that reconstitutes the soil. So it's just a regenerative thing that that we like, that we're looking to improve our ground for the future years, and so the goats are just helping us do that. Yesterday we filmed as we moved the goats. I let the 7-year-old Chance film that for me. I didn't have 2 hands available to walk around with the camera, and so I trusted that he was going to get us some good shots, and most of it was about fence high and the rest was grass. So I'm gonna see what I can salvage from those videos, and I'm gonna go today while I'm here at the farm feeding everybody and giving everybody fresh water, and I'm gonna show you what the area they're in now looks like versus where they just came from, so that you can see what I mean by the goats just doing their job by doing what they love. Come go with us. their food and water and mineral block is. As you can see where the trees are, it's very overgrown. In just a few short weeks, they're going to have all of this eaten down. All this will be eaten down as high as they can reach. So you can see the white fence line. Now the goats are on the left side of it, and they were over here on the right side. Now this is what it looks like after they've come through and do what they do best.